Hello everyone and welcome back to my new vlog. आज के vlog की खास बात ये है कि I'm rushing towards a shop where my Bluetooth or what we say hand frees, they're not working actually. और एक नया खर्चा आ गया and just because कि मुझे अपने office में it's very important, without those hand frees they cannot work. और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा दिखा रही हूँ, so better I show you the view instead of talking. So yeah, so this is the view right now. I'm going to the shop to buy my hand frees or Bluetooth and let's see what I get. और मगरिब का वक्त हो रहा है और ऑफिस के बाद this is what I have to do because आज काफ़ी ज़्यादा I suffered because of not having my hand frees working. So उसी साथ मैंने सोचा कि why not make a vlog on it and show you the right now the current weather. The weather is pretty good. It's less than 40 degree, which is for living in Dubai is a perk. If your degree, it really matters if you're working outside. तो आज शायद 37 degree है, which is cool, which is good. And you can just check out the weather and everything. And this is the JBR beach. I think you have seen in my most of the vlogs and you already know because this is the most tourist spot and everyone wants to visit and they usually visit here and it's free beach access and everything and you will see a lot of restaurants here, you know, and also there are shops. I have already make a separate vlog on this, so if you haven't seen about the JBR beach and the vlog then you must. That's my one go shop. I will go and check out if they have something which I'm looking for. If not, then I'll go to that brand for less or else I'll go and visit Momoso. So of course it depends on the budget and everything, so let me see where I get the best price. So this is the Detox Star shop, so let's see. Anything like which is in budget. कोई से भी दिखा दें. नहीं, वो वाले हैं जो रबर होते हैं जिसमें. This one. And what are the prices?
150, 120, 80. ये वाला अच्छा है, NC वाला भी.
अच्छा, मैं और भी जगह पे देख लेती हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू.
120 बोलिए.
ओके, तो सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी वाला वो 120 वाला था. For me, it was quite expensive because I was thinking कि under 100 dirhams में हो जाए. But of course, quality matters and let's see. I think मुझे मोमोसो में सबसे सस्ता मिलेगा because I really wanted for time being क्योंकि मैं just for few days I wanted because मुझे सबसे अच्छे बॉट के या उसके लगते हैं एप्पल के, तो उसके लिए I have to wait for my salary. So let's see, but just for time being I really wanted, so let's see यहाँ पे क्या रहता है. So I got this and this is on sale right now, so I was thinking I will not get it, but I think this looks nice. It's premium wireless and it's a good brand. I have been knowing it before as well, so let's get it. So I have asked them to check if it's really working and then I'll buy it.
This, you have summer sale.
Yeah, I'm gonna check.
Okay.
So this is the shop. You will get all the branded items, premium quality, and the prices are like it fluctuates. Some are very expensive, some are like they are on offers. So yeah, so it's a good place if you're living in JBR and you wanted to have something to give somebody or you wanted to buy anything branded. At least you will have some difference between the actual brand and this, but definitely it will be from the brands. Like this, see, it's 69 dirhams. It's on sale. All the yellow tags are on sale, the white tags are not on sale. This is kind of an outlet they have it here. So here's a little update that I got a few things from here and The good thing about here is that within 3 days you can exchange, not return, but only exchange. So whatever the value is, you can buy any other thing, but it will not be, you know, I mean, it will not be returned. You will not get the cash back for sale item because that airport was on sale. So now you can check the weather. I came here when it was like, you know, fully sunset. I'm going home and it's too dark. तो अब मुझे जाके घर जाके खाना बनाना है एंड आई एक्चुअली व्हाट आई यूज टू डू कि मैं पहले से आधा काम पहले कर लेती हूँ और आज मुझे करेले बनाने थे तो मैंने पहले से उसको सोक कर दिए थे सॉल्ट में मैरिनेट करके ताकि उसको जाके मैं अच्छे से उसको स्क्वीज करूँगी ताकि उसका जो कड़वापन है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड जब मैं यहाँ पे ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग करी इसलिए थैंक यू ना थैंक यू. तो यहाँ पे एक बड़ी अजीब सी बट ऐसी बात होती है कि जितने भी यहाँ पे परफ्यूम वाले होते हैं ना दे यूज टू गिव अस जस्ट टू स्मेल और फिर आपको उनको बार बार बोलना पड़ता है थैंक यू नो नीड वी हैव एलर्जी और समथिंग बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन नॉट समटाइम्स इवन इफ यू से नो बट प्लीज मैम ओ यू आर फ्रॉम वेयर सो देयर इज समथिंग वेरी आई थिंक दिस इज अ सेल्स पिच एंड इट रियली वर्क्स बिकॉज यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर इजिप्शियंस और अरबिक लोग ही सेल कर रहे होते हैं और नो डाउट उनकी सेल हो रही होती है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. बिकॉज अगर वो आपको एक चीज़ स्मेल करने के लिए दे रहे हैं सेंट उसकी अच्छी लगी बाद में वो बंदा घर जाता है उसको अचानक से होता है कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है वो दोबारा उस शॉप पे जाता है और ख़रीदता है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रेटजी आई थिंक in Dubai or any GCC. I think mostly they have this. You know, I really wanted to monetize my YouTube channel. I just wonder कि वो दिन कब आएगा. But I feel like making vlogs not just to earn, but I think just to let people know all about Dubai or maybe through my vlogs if they don't know and उनको कोई नई चीज़ मालूम हो जाए and maybe they also try और उनके लिए कुछ आसानी हो जाए. So yeah, this is the plaza level of JBR जहाँ पे anyone can come even if you're curious you can come up you can just explore और but मेरा घर का रास्ता भी यहाँ से है और दूसरा मेरा एक पार्किंग के एरिया से भी रास्ता है. So there are many ways to enter the plaza levels and not every plaza level is same. हर बिल्डिंग का हर एक एरिया का plaza level different होता है. जैसे there are many names like Sadaf, Shams, Bahar, Marjan. So this is just for the updates.